One is that, what is the rationale of choosing these 9 papers? You have to establish. Okay? Because, what is the criteria?
Criteria is...
No, I am just raising, you have to answer.
Yeah.
So, and not for me,
yes,
for your paper you have to say.
Exactly.
Second is, if there is some criteria based on, say, chronologically you want to see how the import substitution is moving, then you have to focus with respect to a period. Like, okay. So that then there is a, this thing which will move. Then you are up to 2011, yes, you have focused. So what I suggest is your conclusion. Again, I see little broad,
Exactly.
So I expect after 9, your paper should be 10th one.
Exactly.
To that level, if you can take,
Sure.
then the future researchers should review 10 papers.
Yes.
The 10th one will be yours.
Thank you.
Okay. So then there is a continuation. So that critical review should be focused in your paper. You have summarized 9 papers, but what is your contribution should be reflected as a 10th one. Are you clear?
Yes.
So then that will be accumulated knowledge in this field to grow.
So I would like to highlight the rationale behind why I have selected these 9 papers only is because as and when I had gone through the title and I started searching for the articles, I was a little bit feared that studies which are made on import substitution experience at a macro level are limited, and even the observations which are made by these authors also in terms of measurement of impact, their also studies are limited only. I mean, the data source which I have reviewed is that Economic and Political Weekly. I have gone through a short period of time.
Thousands of papers are available.
It can be like, sir, I am unable to find all those. But as and when I have searched about, I could be able to trace these 9 papers which are having a shift, chronological relation between the one study to the other study. So that was my perspective to select these 9. Actually, I searched for the 10th, 9 was not that much completed, so 10th I searched, but I am unable to find out.
But there are many books. You have done a good work. And
actually, I am unable to data, information sources regarding this.
You can study many papers. You see, people have written. Thousands and thousands of people have written on import and import substitution also. But anyway, it's a good beginning.
Yes.
And we appreciate that. What sir wanted to say that all these studies and which should have been put into pattern, you have put it into chronological order. Instead of that, you should have put it into pattern that what are the things coming out with the chronology that could have been done. Not paper chronology, but period chronology.
Yes.
That would have been done.
Further, I am also extending this study in terms of analytical part of this study.
Very good. And we will be in touch with you and we want to know actually how you go ahead.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.